Are you best toilet brushes? When it comes to maintaining a clean and hygienic bathroom, a reliable toilet brush is an essential tool. While often overlooked, the right toilet brush can make cleaning easier, faster, and more effective. In this comparative review, we tested 5 popular toilet brushes across a range of price points, from budget-friendly options to premium models. Product 1. Mr. Sega Toilet Bowl Brush. The Mr. Sega Toilet Bowl Brush and Holder is a mid-range option that combines durability and thoughtful design. Its dense polypropylene bristles are tough on stains, but gentle on the toilet bowl, ensuring effective cleaning without scratches. The brush features an ergonomic 15.8-inch handle, providing a comfortable grip and allowing for powerful scrubbing in hard-to-reach areas. The brush holder includes an upgraded ventilation system that promotes quick drying, reducing odors, and maintaining hygiene. This product is well-suited for residential, commercial, and industrial use. In testing, the Mr. Sega brush demonstrated excellent cleaning performance, particularly under the rim and in tight corners. The replaceable brush head is a practical feature for long-term use, and the automatic lid mechanism adds a touch of convenience. Product number: Toilet Brush. The Wessador Toilet Brush and Holder Set offers a modern design with durable functionality. Featuring soft yet dense polypropylene bristles, the brush is capable of 360 degrees cleaning, effectively tackling under-rim stains and hard-to-reach areas. The 17-inch stainless steel handle adds a premium touch, ensuring durability and preventing splashback during use. The sealed holder is designed to contain drips and maintain a dry bathroom environment. During testing, the Wessador brushes excelled in flexibility and ease of use. The larger size of the brush and handle makes it suitable for deep cleaning tasks, while the modern design enhances bathroom aesthetics. However, the smaller base of the holder may compromise stability, and the brush head may wear out faster with frequent use. Product 3. Clorox Corner Toilet Bowl Brush with Under-Rim Scrubber. The Clorox Corner Toilet Bowl Brush is the most affordable option in this roundup, priced at just $7.99. Despite its budget-friendly cost, it comes with antimicrobial treated bristles that resist odor-causing bacteria and mildew. The under-rim scrubber is a standout feature, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. The space-saving corner caddy with a non-slip rubber base is a practical addition for compact bathrooms. While the Clorox brush performs well for basic cleaning tasks, its rubber handle feels less sturdy compared to higher-end models. The antimicrobial feature is a plus for hygiene-conscious users, but the overall durability of the brush may product more. Toilet Brush. The Uptronic Toilet Brush and Holder Set combines a sleek modern design with practical features. Its dense black bristles are effective at scrubbing tough stains, while the 16-inch ergonomic plastic handle ensures comfort during use. The compact holder includes built-in drainage to catch drips and runoff, keeping the bathroom clean and dry. This set is designed to blend seamlessly with modern bathroom decor. In testing, the Uptronic brushes proved adept at reaching under rims and cleaning porcelain surfaces without damage. The compact holder is space-saving, but may feel too small for larger brushes. Additionally, the plastic handle, while lightweight, may not offer the same durability as stainless steel alternatives. This set is ideal. Product 5. TNC 15 PC's 14.2-inch Toilet Brush Commercial. The TNC 15-piece set is designed for commercial and heavy-duty use. Each brush features thick nylon bristles and a sturdy polypropylene handle, ensuring durability and effective cleaning for high-traffic bathrooms. The compact size of the brushes makes them easy to store, while the white color maintains a clean and professional appearance. This set performed well in our tests, particularly in commercial scenarios where frequent use is required. The nylon bristles provide thorough cleaning, but their stiffness may make them less suitable for delicate surfaces. While the quantity is ideal